please respond to 231 Medill Drive, the FE Medill Secondary School, for a general fire alarm. Key holders pending. Again, that's 231 Medill Drive, the FE Medill Secondary School, for a general fire alarm. Time of first page is 12:07:02. Attention Wingham Fire, please respond to 231 Medill Drive, the FE Medill Secondary School, for a general fire alarm. Key holders pending. Again, that's 231 Medill Drive, crossroads of Victoria Street East and John Street East, for a general fire alarm. Time of second page is 12:07:57.
Fire dispatch, North Huron car 1.
Go ahead, car 1.
Page acknowledged for the Wingham station.
Roger that, car 1, page acknowledged at 12:08:16.
Fire dispatch, North Huron car 2. Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Just stand by, most urgent.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1 responding to the FE Medill, Bravo, +5 belted.
Roger that. Engine 1 responding, Bravo +5 belted at 12:59.
Car 2, call Bravo.
Go ahead, Bravo.
We'll stop at Victoria Street doors at the hydrant.
Yeah, you can stop there. I'm just talking with staff. It sounds like there's a fog machine that went off, but we're going to check it out anyway.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1 is on scene. Nothing showing.
Roger that, you're on scene. Nothing showing is 12:14.
Dispatch, you can show Bravo in command and we'll be mobile.
Roger that, Bravo in command and mobile, it's 12:15.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 6.
Unit calling, go ahead.
North Huron engine 6 responding, car 3 +2 belted.
Roger that, engine 6 responding, car 3 +2 belted, it is 12:16:20.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
Talking to on-site staff, they believe the alarms may have been set off by a fog machine. We'll be sending a crew in to investigate.
Roger that, command. Talking to staff, believe alarm set off by a fog machine, and you're sending a crew to investigate at 12:17:20.
Go ahead, entry 1. Roger. Engine 6, call command.
Go ahead, command, engine 6.
You can downgrade to a code 2 at this point. Just keep coming though.
Copy that, command.
Engine 6, call command.
Go ahead, command, engine 6.
When you do arrive, can you come up John Street to John and Medill Drive, please?
Roger that. Command entry team 1, be advised we are at room 120 now.
Roger that, entry 1, room 120.
Fire 3.
Go ahead, entry 1, command. Yeah, roger that. Talking to car 4, apparently staff has already cleaned up and put away the fog machine. So just kind of do investigation down that hall, room to room, and then we'll go from there. Go ahead, entry 1 command. Yeah, roger that. If there's no windows or anything in there, just check to see if there's maybe a window you could open. Fire dispatch, first hearing command.
Command, go ahead.
We have found one bathroom that is full synthetic smoke from the fog machine. We will be currently trying to ventilate it out of the school with a fan.
That's Roger. Command, you have one bathroom full from the fog machine. We'll be venting it out of the school with an amp. It's 1228.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 6.
Go ahead, engine 6.
You can show engine 6 arriving on scene.
Roger that, engine 6 arriving on scene at 1228.36.
Command, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3, command.
Command, you can show ventilation under.
Roger that, ventilation underway. Car 3, call command.
Go ahead, command, car 3.
Yeah, I'm going to release engine 6. They can return to Blythe Station.
Okay, car 3 will be exiting the structure. Command, car 3.
Go ahead, car 3.
Just an update for you, command. They're continuing with ventilation. They've opened up the woodworking shop and they're venting outside from there. And they're continuing with the tick camera at this point. No readings.
Roger. Go ahead, entry 1 command. Roger that. Ventilation complete, all smoke dissipated. You're exiting the building with the fan. Car 2, call command.
Go ahead, command. Car 2.
We are good to let them back into the school then?
Roger that.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
We have ventilated the room that the fog machine is in. We have no further issues or alarms going off. You can show entry team 1 has exited the building.
Roger that, command. You have completed ventilation. No further issues or alarms. Entry team 1 has exited the building at 12:41:27.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, engine 6.
Go ahead.
Engine 6 relief system, returning to Blythe Station.
Roger that, engine 6 release from scene, returning to Blythe Station at 12:42:18.
Fire dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead, command.
You can show property is being turned over to on-site staff. Command is terminated. All units return to Wingham, please.
Roger that, command. Property being turned over to staff. Command terminated and all units returning at 12:43:59.
Fire dispatch, North Huron engine 1.
Go ahead, engine 1.
You show all units back at hall, back at station, back in service. Could you clear off this call, please?
Roger that, engine 1. All units back at hull, back in service. I will clear it off now. It is 12:48:48. Have a good day.